Hi guys, it's Evan from EvanTubeHD and welcome to day 2 of our KNEX week. And today we have the Mario Kart bike building sets. So first we have Mario, and next we have his brother Luigi, and Yoshi, their pet, and Toad, their friend. And next we have Donkey Kong, and we have Wario, we have the Koopa, and last we have Diddy Kong. Each of these sets have more than 30 pieces. They are recommended for ages 6 and up, and the suggested retail price is $9.99. So let's take a look at the back of the box. And it shows you kind of how to build it. And it also shows you the box can turn into a ramp. It comes with one character figure and a bike. There are also car sets that are available. So we'll open these up and show you each one of the bikes. You get this bag, stickers that I can put on. Alright, here are all the pieces. Now let's build this baby. So here's the Mario figure and the completed bike. So here's Mario on the bike. He can hold on to the handlebars. And the cool thing is you can use this box for a ramp. You can print a free track panel from K'Nex.com/Nintendo. And we're going to try launching them off the ramp. To save time, we're going to use magic on the last 5 sets.
Here we go. I'm a Wario. I'm gonna win.
Yoshi!
I'm the best!
So those are our Mario Kart bike sets. Make sure you guys tune in tomorrow for more KNEX toys. See you then.